Please welcome Mr. Eddie Bannerman Menson of COARE to the stage.
Good morning, everybody. If it's not afternoon yet. Button. This is what COARE Biotechnology is dedicated to designing, developing, and commercializing therapeutic agents and diagnostics tools that will result in the prevention, treatment, and ultimately the cure of pancreatic cancer. The company was founded in 2010 based on technology out of Dr. Courtney Houchin's lab at OUMC. Courtney had moved here from Washington University out of St. Louis, Missouri, and he and his colleagues began to notice that there was a high rate of pancreatic cancer in Oklahoma. He had originally been working on intestinal stem cells and therefore shifted to pancreatic stem cells research. Pancreatic ductal adenocarcinoma will affect about 44,000 people this year. 5 years from today, if we diagnosed all the 44,000 people today, only 6% of them will be alive. Most people who are diagnosed with pancreatic cancer will be dead within 6 months. And the incidence of pancreatic cancer for African Americans is 50 to 90% higher than any other racial group in the United States. Why is pancreatic ductal adenocarcinoma so difficult? It's the worst prognosis of any major cancer. Currently, the only way you're going to probably survive is surgery. But unfortunately, only 10 to 20% of the people who have PDAC are candidates for pancreatic cancer. We believe, COARE Biotechnology believes that cancer stem cells are a key feature of solid tumor cancers and likely to contribute to the poor response to therapy and recurrence after PDAC treatment. COARE Solution. We have developed a proprietary technology that targets the key tumor stem cell regulatory molecule DCLK1. DCLK1 is the first marker that can be used to distinguish between normal and tumor stem cells. And we believe that by eliminating DCLK expressing cells, we will be able to eliminate cancer, pancreatic cancer. Here, I'd like to draw your attention to what our theory is. So you look at the tumor, the red dots represent the cancer stem cell. They form a very small portion of the entire tumor. As of today, with most standard therapies, what we're having is you have standard therapy. It eliminates what they call the fast-moving cells. It leaves behind the cancer stem cells, and then most likely the cancer stem cells will return at some point and you have a tumor relapse. We believe that with our technology, we will be able to eliminate those red cells, which are the cancer stem cells, and destroy the cancer. COARE's therapeutic strategy, which I probably have already, is to eliminate, inactivate, either alone or in conjunction with conventional therapy, if there's any hope for cure for pancreatic cancer. COARE is developing cutting-edge agents that specifically target tumor stem cells in addition to blocking key pathways that regulate cancer stem cells. We are going to be using siRNA and nanotechnology. We are going to, as it were, load our siRNA targeting DCLK1, which is the protein that I talked about. That will then travel through the blood system. Most cancers, or pancreatic cancers, have these large leaky vessels, and it would allow our nanoparticle carrying the siRNA that targets the DCLK1 in. Once inside the blood vessels, the nanoparticles will enter the cells to deliver the drug that we've put on the nanoparticle. So the nanoparticle will be carrying our drug. Once the nanoparticle enters the cancer cell through the leaky vessels that I talked about, it will then hopefully kill the cancer stem cell and destroy the cancer. As of today, The DCLK1, our target, is we found it in breast cancer, colon, prostate, and pancreas. I'd like to draw your attention again to tests that we've done. The green line represents COARE's solution to pancreatic cancer. As you can tell, the volume or the size of the tumor shrinks with COARE's solution. PDAC, once again, there are no early symptoms. Most of the time, by the time you find out that you have pancreatic cancer, it's too late. It localizes, there's early local metastatic spread. There are no predictive or diagnostic biomarkers as of today. Tumors are highly fibrotic, making it very difficult for traditional drugs to penetrate. Core conclusion. COARE's technology and strategy is designed to overcome the many obstacles to the therapy that have pancreatic cancer, such a devastating disease. We believe that the identification of the master regulatory target, DCLK1, which Dr. Houchin has been working on for the better part of the last 6 years, a better understanding of the molecular mechanisms that control pancreatic cancer initiation and growth, they give us hope that our ultimate mission to cure pancreatic cancer is within reach. Thank you.